Alright guys, so this is a 2013 Chevy Cruze. I have previously worked on this car, so this is a repeated customer. What we are going to be doing today is we're going to be doing an oil change with the tire rotation. That is a part of the services that I offer. So if you're a 1500 series truck and lower, you do qualify for a tire rotation unless you have oversized tires. If you have oversized tires, then you do not get that part as a service, and you would have to pay for that separately. So we're going to be doing an oil change, tire rotation, and then I'm also going to be doing the front brakes on this vehicle. So we're going to go ahead and remove all of that stuff and replace it. And I will be showing you guys the brake pads and rotors replacement on a separate video. For now, we're just going to be focusing on this oil change and tire rotation. So what we've done right now is taking off the oil filter, and we're going to go. We're just going to do this. Try not to do that. Get a rag. And if you guys hear me singing, don't mind. Now, what I am going to do is I'm going to put this cloth over this so nothing could fly in. Because now we're going to go underneath the car and we're going to actually drain it. So that way everything can go, and then I'm going to go ahead and put that back on. Alright, so now that we're done with the bottom part, we can go ahead and put this back in. And it takes 4.2 quarts of oil. And I am going to put 4.2 into here. This is a total of 5 gallon of the Pennzoil high mileage. That is the only oil I trust to put in vehicles. Now, what we're gonna do is 2 more steps and then we're done. first is going to be finish off with my custom SV Automotive LLC sticker, oil reminder sticker. And we're also going to turn on the car to make sure there's no oil leaks. Sticker's done. Let's go ahead and go up underneath. Everything is good. Everything is good. Go up underneath to look for any oil residue. Nada. And we are good. So now that the oil change portion is done, we're going to go ahead and finish up with the tire rotation. So this is a front wheel vehicle, which means I'm going to drop both of the front tires to the rear, and both rear tires are going to get X'd. So driver rear is going to go on passenger front, passenger rear is going to go on driver. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to actually put on the rear because I no longer need them all. And I'm going to zap everything down. Or even putting the tires back on, holding it down, you want to make sure that you do it in the star pattern. Let me repeat that again. You want to make sure that you do it in the star pattern, because you want to make sure that that tire, that rim, everything is connected and it is sitting flush with even distribution. That is super important because you do not want the tires to potentially come off while you're doing 60 plus miles an hour on the highway. That concludes it for now.